Hello, today I'll show you how to install NFS Underground 2 Retuned. To get started, you will have to have the game and the mod. So I'm just going to double click on it and it's going to start in administrator. Let's wait until it loads up. It's a 489 MB setup. Okay, let's wait until it loads. Now press next. And here are some of the credits of the tools and mods and some of the other items that were crucial for this mod. Now press agree. You will go here. I'm just gonna go select the folder which is in here, the virus, because old games are considered virus in new PC. And then press install. And you will wait until all of these are properly installed. A lot of things are going to be replaced, a lot of things are going to be added, and the general reason for it to take this long is because the files are larger in number, not huge in size, but the number is huge, so it overwhelms the computer. Press finish. Now you can either open from this, or you can just press Windows and you find this NFS UG2 Retuned. How amazing is that? Or you can just go there and you will find this. Normally you'd run this as administrator, but if your Windows has some problem, you might want to go to capability and set it to Windows Surfback 3 and administrator. Okay. But in case if you have Windows 11, it might have some issues. I do recommend you to use Windows 10. It's because there are a build of Windows 11 that will never support NFS Underground 2, like my latest version, which is why I use several computers, and Windows 10 and older version of Windows 11 works the best. Now there are things you need to do. So once you open the game, you'll have to go to the settings and you'll have to just copy what I do. You'll have to set the graphic settings to whatever I have done that, and once you do that, the game will look just fine. Everything will work without any issue. Thank you and subscribe.